first thing you do, you open up the WeChat app, where from here, you just are brought to this screen like so after you log in. Now from here, you can do a few different options. First, you can go to the top right hand corner of the screen, click on the plus icon, where you can actually click on the add contacts option. Now, once you do that, you can either click on your QR code up here, which is actually how you can add a friend, or you click on invite friends from here. When you click on invite friends, you can either choose the invitation method. I'm going to choose message. You can choose WhatsApp or email, for example. And once you actually click on that, you can actually type in who you want to send this to. Now, once you actually type that in, you can actually send this message, and it will actually add it to the person's in their contacts. They will get the message like so. Another method to actually do this is you can go back. You can either just go back from here, and you can actually go back again, click on the plus icon, and actually scan your friend's QR code just by doing this like so, or click on my QR code if you want your friend to scan that like that.